what the quality Saad now have. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, please.
Okay. So last class we were talking about the React router,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So basically we learned about how the React is using the single page dynamic rule, not reloading everything, having the all the things together in the
Yes.
pages and the components.
Yes.
So what I did is so I created this my bank. Okay. So you have the
Okay.
login page over here, right?
Okay.
So you can log in and it's gonna render everything with the layout, all the home page, transaction and transfer. And you can see the transfer transactions over here, the home, the recent transactions, and I haven't implemented anything inside these things. It's just saying whatever account transactions for the checking
Okay.
and the saving and the credit card is. And you can also do the move money transfer and everything. It's just nothing. It's gonna say that went submit transfer. And yeah, that's about it. The this is the home page, transaction and transfer, 3 pages, and logout come brings you back to this page. Yeah.
Okay. So what about your this agentic AI learning?
Agentic AI learning, I haven't created anything with that one, but I will.
But means have you gone through this prompt engineering and context engineering topics?
No, no, I haven't.
Please go through that with the help. If you go through those, then
Hmm.
your productivity will increase.
Yes.
Okay.
I know this website doesn't have any brain or anything, just the regular thing, but I have to find a way. Yep.
That's not an issue. And are you feeling happy or good? What's
Yeah.
you can say means what are the you can say changes means in Saad now if you compare for first day and now.
Yeah, there's a lot of changes. And also for the background, can you guess from where I tried to fetch
These
this
are
back?
these are gradients. You used gradient there,
Yeah,
but I
I
don't
used
know.
I used this one, this gradient. Uh, it's not showing right now, but from here, the Apple website.
Good. Okay. Now we need to means today we need to work on a contest API. Okay.
Yep.
So means earlier when we discuss about this, you can say passing the for ops from one, you can say parents to child, child to another child, so on and so forth. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So in this manner means we need to maintain lot of means again and again we need to let's say the you can say top more means most inner component require the props. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
But means to pass that it start from you can say there's a five levels are there. Okay, means you need to start from because it's that component which require components available on a fifth level. Understand my point?
Mm-hmm.
So to pass the props to that particular component, you need to means go through the whole hierarchy. You can think of, let's say you are sitting on a you can say means one end of the this you can say row. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And means if means I need, and I am is on another end of the row, and there is no shortcut, or there is no, I cannot approach. So what I need to do, I need to, you can say, request request a person who is at my end. Hey, means my friend is sitting on the that end, am I right? And
Hmm.
could you help me to pass this to my friend, am I right? So
Hmm.
he will help, means he will take a help of means next to him, whatever person next to him, so that in this manner next to reach to you. You understand my point?
Hmm.
Even though means those person who is transferring this thing, those are not interested, they don't know anything, they don't know about us, but they are, we need to involve them. You
Yeah,
understand?
we're just passing the data, right?
Yes, props, because
Probes.
yes, because I need to pass that to you,
Hmm.
but you are in a that queue and in a last in a row. So I
Hmm.
need to bypass, or I need to pass the all these, whatever I want to pass, I need to pass through all the, you can say, members which are sitting in between us.
Yeah.
You understand my point? So that's a problem. So to right now, to get the to solve this problem, they will say, hey, this is a, you can say, means common place where all person are sitting. Am I right?
Hmm.
If all person are sitting there, so rather than just saying that, let's means keep that popcorn box there only. Whomever require, who can take that up.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Like.
Rather than just saying, hey, means we need to pass this box to this particular, you can say, the SAD only. We will keep that on a shared location. Whomever require, who can take that up with the help of that shared location. That's a API context only.
So basically, with the context API, anybody can pass the data and pick up the data. That's what you're trying to say.
No, we are here means it's available on a context level.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Okay.
So if it's available on context level, whomever is means living in that context, or whoever is, you can say, considering or relevant to that context, is
Hmm.
who can take that up, who can use that.
Go.
Just going through this and check this context, and if you are not able to understand, then I can explain.
Hmm. Component with a pros and cons manually at entry at every level. Okay. Parent, child, grandchild component passing props everywhere. So context data access from any component. Clean. Router, context provider, devices, shared data. Router is the context provider.
So yes, context provider. Router, let's say you are when you change the route, am I right?
Hmm.
Router is, you can say, router, you can think of our modem, which will route our Wi-Fi, am I right?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
in React, we have this context provider, which will provide that context.
Okay.
So far, you can think of a router, you can say, which will transmit, which will, you can say, connected, which will get the network from our provider, internet provider. Am I right?
Hmm.
And it will transmit, means in the, you can say, then we have our devices With the help of that, we will get that range, Wi-Fi range, and we will connect our devices there. Am I right? So
Yes.
whomever available in that range, who will get that access? You understand my point?
Yes.
So same thing with this. If you are in that context and things are shared on a context level, you can access those.
Yep. So create context, provide context, consume context. Mm. So we're not using any props here.
No,
Okay. Mm. From React. What we are doing over here?
check and try to understand. If you are not able to understand, I will explain you. No worries.
First, we are creating the context by importing.
First, we are importing
Yeah.
use context from this file, another file. It should be available in another file. We are importing.
Mm.
Okay. And then we have a state. Am I right? User is a state and user is a string only, and we have a set user is a, you can say, method to update the state. Am I right?
Mm.
And we here we are providing the context. And in this we are saying means whatever like child. Right now only one child is there in that context. Am I right?
Mm.
So means we are saying, hey, we are passing this value. Provider and value is user and set state.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are passing these two things as a value, user and set. Okay, so
Mm.
that means whomever in this context provider, okay, they can access those. Now this is a way to communicate. This is a context, and this the you can say range of this context we are defining with the help of this tag. You understand my point? Context provider.
This one.
Yes.
So user context dot provider value. So we're just setting the values for the user and user test
Context.
set.
Yes, yes. For context. At context level.
So how it's gonna like what it's doing? It's keeping it aside in the value.
You can think of means let's say your internet provider is
Mm.
Airtel or Vodafone, whatever. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
They are providing the things to the modem level or
Yeah.
router. Am I right?
Mm.
After means approaching that, they will means router have a value. Am I right?
Mm.
And whomever in a range, they will means verify the authenticity, and after that, they are able to connect with the network. They are able to access the Wi-Fi. Am I right?
Mm. Yes.
So for that, the contests have some value with which you can say other component can use.
Mm.
So there should be some value which other component can use. Am I right? For
Mm.
displaying purpose or updating purpose. So you can pass anything as per your need. Go ahead.
Mm.
Go ahead. There's three steps, two steps you covered, three steps you need to cover.
So over here we also created the child, right?
Inside that, yes, inside that
Yeah.
child.
And now,
It's a child
mm,
code.
so we are passing it to the child.
First you created, am I right?
Yeah.
Then you
Yes.
provided the value. and mention that under this, you can say under this context these childs are there
Hmm.
which can access this network or which can have a authorized user to access this Wi-Fi. Am I right?
Yes.
So you need to means how you can means tell these are the authentic user and these means I am owner of this Wi-Fi and my all the family member can access Wi-Fi.
Hmm.
Am I right? I will share the password to them. Am I right? To my
Hmm.
family member. Same thing we are doing here. Hey, we have a you can say first we created a contest and whomever means use that contest we will define that as well and
Hmm.
value as well scope of the contest as well as what value it contains we are
Hmm.
setting that so that consumer use that value. This is a
Hmm.
third step where consumer is using.
Hmm. Okay. Now child directly accesses the data, right?
Yes, no child directly access the data. There is no need to pass the you can say props.
Hmm. Okay. Because we already said it over here, right? The child user context of the provider.
Yes, and because we created earlier with the help of that we are able to access that as.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So it's directly gonna access all the things like um, your name and the state,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, Deepak. Yes,
Yep.
state as well.
Mm. So without context, app immediately user context t equals to user. Okay. Updating context data. Function child button click set user John change user button. Mm. Okay, so it's updating the data with the button click, right?
Yes, because it's a inside of that. Inside a maybe it can be inside another company.
So what about the updates, the global state? Isn't it gonna change only the child state?
No, because state is
What?
available globally.
Hmm.
If you check this, if I go to this, you can say second phase, second step.
Hmm.
Check this, please. This is available. The state is available on our app level.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying it's a global.
Okay.
You can think of community hall. Am I right?
Hmm.
Community community hall.
Yeah.
Community hall. It's a app means as accessible by all the villager or city members. Am I right?
Hmm.
So this is global, and whatever your home is means available for it's a your private property.
Yeah.
Now that's why I'm saying update global state.
Hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
So over here, this one has multiple global values.
Right now means let's say you have a three things you need to pass. Five,
Hmm.
let's say as a you can say father, you will carry you will when you return from you can say trip, foreign trip, am I right?
Hmm.
You will means you will come up with a lot of you can say gifts, am I right?
Hmm.
So everyone can use that. So same way, whatever you want to pass, you can pass it. It's totally up to you.
Hmm.
Multiple right now. Earlier we are passing that. means state and this user. Now we are passing three, and you can pass more as well. It
Mhm.
depend means it depend upon requirement to requirement.
Mhm. Hmm. Sorry. So real use cases, authentication, user token, theme. In authentication, we're using context API.
Because let's say means you have a dashboard, am I right?
Mm. Mm.
And in that dashboard, if means on dashboard on a side, you need to show the username, am I right?
Yeah.
And for that, maybe you are calling some API which require your token, am I right?
Mm.
Or user information, how you will pass. Then
Mm.
you these are the some use cases
Yeah.
you can think of means even though you are you can say now you are means you have a iCard which is proof you are a means student of this particular university or college. Am I right?
Mm.
But means on a some places you need to show that identity again and again. Am I right?
Mm.
Which are you can say some labs or something which they will verify your identity again. So if that's the case, what you will do, you will put the all the identity information on a common place so that everyone can check that. Am I right?
Mm.
So these are the use case and theme is styling part which should be a common. Am I right?
Mm.
And this app setting, global API data, language. So these are the things which you can consider.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Over here, it's using the use effect.
Yes,
Loads global data from API. Yeah, we know this part.
yes.
So common mistakes: overusing context for everything, large global state performance issue. Mm, no splitting context for waiting provider app. Uh, what about this one?
Let's say you are storing means lot of data there,
Mm.
large global state means where size is big of that state. Am I right? Let's say 100 records are there, 200, and you are just putting overload doing the means you need to means keep that in a memory so that data should be there then you can use that. Am I right?
Mm.
So don't do that because
Okay.
it's overhead. Let's
Mm.
say you are comfortable to carry only 10 kg weight. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And I will just put 30 kg or 40 kg. So it's a overhead for performance. Am I right?
Mm.
You can perform better in a 10 kg only, but I will put 30 kg extra.
Yeah.
That's a this thing. Okay.
Mm. Okay. So task user context moves username globally, a prisoner from child, and authorization flag is logged in. Important. Okay.
Now you need to do a practical, whatever code you have,
Mhm.
and check that on top.
Before, yeah, before we start, can you show me one real example how we are using the context API?
You can check your code, and wherever you are passing this props, at the
Mm,
place of props, you use this context.
mm,
First, to understand, first I want you will go through the example which is given in that file. Okay,
mm,
so that you are know the things.
mm.
Then you will change. We will change your code. First, at least you are confident. For that, you need to means implement this thing in your project.
Yeah, not this one. So we're gonna use this one, right?
No, first step one first.
Mm,
Step one first. You need to create a one file called user context. Create a one folder called context.
user context or what?
User context. Yes.
Okay, context.
Before user context, you do the name of that folder is context only, and create a file name with the user context. And try to use shortcuts. Don't overuse this mouse only. Am I right?
Mm. So first, have to
Just copy paste from there
okay.
where you are typing this. You just need to use JSX.
Mm,
Okay,
mm.
and then what you need to do? You need to copy this.
This one.
Yes, and go to your this app.jsx file. Replace replace this code. Whole code. Not whole code, just okay, change that. Now you need to export your app. No, export. And export below.
Over here.
Yes, export default app. Control that, please. Control that everything, please. Control that. Control that. Control that. Control that. Control that. Yes. Now it's a default one. Just means till five, line number till five, 1 to 5. Select and paste. Paste. Yes. Save. Okay. Second step is done. Now you need to create a one child component.
Mm.
Child file, child dot this, and paste the third step code.
This one.
Yes.
Sorry.
You need to create a component called
Which
child. Yes.
folder or file?
File,
Okay.
child.
Mm, I created this under the use
No, it's not under that. It's under component only.
Hmm.
Okay, so now you need to export this child.
Hmm. Default check
You can use that default or it's totally up to you.
or app.
Now you need to run and check the output there.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, go there, go there. Right now means this path is not right because it's under context and file name is different. Am I right? So no, there only app.jsx. At the place of this, line number two, line number two. Hold on. Uh, this remove this context part only. Use
This one.
context, use context part only. No, after from, you remove this, please. No, not all. Before after slash user context. Remove that part only. User context. Yes, yes. Accept this and go to your child as well. Child as well. And at the place of this, yes,
What about this
saved.
one?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Now just check the output. Reload. Okay, but it's not showing anything to us.
I think it's working, right?
Right click and inspect. Reference child is not a defined variable. Okay, go there. Go there. You need to import child as well in a app. App. Go to app and import child here. Import import child from this. Yes, child. Save this.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you need to try another example where when you click on this button is there, when you click on a button, then this changed. Value has been changed. Right?
Hmm.
Check that code in our same file. First, are you able to understand this, whatever you write? What is the use of this?
Hmm. No.
First, you understand this, all these three steps.
Hmm.
Because you done this by your own, just try to understand what is the purpose, why you made changes there. Am I right? What
Hmm.
is the purpose of those? If you understand that, you can do that on another places as well.
Yeah.
Start from use creating a contest. This is a consumer. This is a provider. Okay. Now you will think you are my teacher. Now you need to explain these three steps to me. Okay.
Yes.
Just explain these three steps to me, what they are doing.
Yeah. I'm understanding how the codes are working, but I'm not getting why. Like,
Why I told you, let's say you have a 10 components are there, am I right?
yeah.
And they want to deal with the same state. Okay. The
Hmm.
one way is to put that state or put that data in a shared location.
Hmm.
So everyone can access, am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And another way is you will pass through hierarchy. That's
Yes.
only difference.
So
So
over here, hmm.
yes, yes, go ahead, please.
So over here we are creating that shared folder access, right?
Yes, when we are saying context, first you are creating a context. Means you are
Hmm.
saying, hey, this is a common place.
Hmm.
Okay. You
Hmm.
can access whatever biscuits, whatever in a pantry, whatever available, it's
This one.
available for you. Here you are saying this is a common area. You understand my point?
Hmm.
This is a common area which anyone of this floor can access. You
Hmm.
understand my point? Let's say pantry area where we have a vending machine. Am I right?
Yes.
On a floor. You are creating a common area with the help of this create context. Okay.
Hmm.
Now just defining a common area not enough. If something is not there, which is useful for you, am I right?
Hmm.
Which you require. So for that you need to means go means you need to use this context and tell them, hey, this value, if you come here, you will get these values. Okay.
Hmm.
And after getting those value, it's totally up to you how you want to utilize. Right now, here we are utilizing that value for displaying purpose.
This one.
Yes. Because it's displaying my name. Am I right?
Yes.
Change your in a app.jsx, change your name. Then it will display your name.
Yeah.
Change your name at the place of Deepak, change your name. Right now, where you are changing? App. But
Yeah. The
where,
main.
yes, on a global. And
Yes.
it is impacting where? Inside
Over here.
child. Inside child.
Yeah.
So now you understand
Yes.
what is the advantage of this and where we will use in a real project.
Mm, in real project.
Yes.
Mm, mm.
Let's
Logging.
say multiple use cases are there which we discuss about this authentication, am I right?
Mm.
API calling. Okay.
Yeah. So basically what you're trying to do is you're defining a place where everything is fetched from there, and if we change one thing there, then we don't need to go one by one. It's gonna be changed globally.
Yes, it can be accessible whomever is or accessing that. If you introduce one more, you can say proper value, then it is also accessible there.
Mm. Okay.
Understand my point?
Mm.
Okay, now please do one thing. Check your this file, MD file, and there are you can say another example of button. Okay.
This one.
No, 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 no. That preview, that theory part only. It's already open in the first tab.
Hmm.
Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, 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 down. Hold on. Yes, this one.
Hmm.
You can create a, consider this at the place of child. You will, at the place of child, you will mention this my button. Okay, change the name
Okay.
of this my button. Copy this. No, copy this and create a one new component. My button.
Under component, right?
Yes,
Okay. My button.
my button dot this and change the paste at the place of child. Line number one, child use button my button. At the place of line number 10, at the place of child, use my button. Now import in a app. First go there and in a app, hold on. Yes, import this first and after line number 11, press enter and add this component. No man, my button M is capital and if it's a default, then you can use this way. M is capital.
M capital.
Yes, M is capital there.
Okay.
You can check the spelling of this my button.
No, because I over here I wrote small letter.
It's a file name. Inside that, what is the component name? My button.
Oh, right. Yep.
Okay.
You're right. Yeah.
Okay. Now you need to add after line number 11.
Oh, also this one is okay, or this one is
It's
still
okay. It's okay.
okay.
After line number 11, press enter. Press enter. My button. Yes. Now save what is saying. Go down, go down. Yes. Now check the output, please.
Mm,
Thought reference use contest is not defined there. Okay, go there into this child one. My button. Go up. Go. Okay, go to child. Go to child file. Child file. Copy this import. Copy this import part.
both
No,
of them.
line number two. Line number two. Copy this. Go to my button and paste there.
Line number one.
Yes. Press enter and paste there. Yes. Use contest. Use contest. Okay. Yes, this as well. Yes.
Mm,
Okay.
yep.
Now you understand.
Yes.
Right now you have a two child inside that contest. Am I right?
Hmm.
So whom means they are using for different purpose. One for displaying purpose and one is using for, you can say, updating purpose. State is available on global level, app level.
Yep. Hello.
Yes. Now are you able to explain me what we done today and what is in means in your app where you can think of you need to use this?
Mm, I'm thinking where I can use it a little bit. Mm, let me just take you there, then you will be able to help me.
You can
Mm,
think of your error messages, am I right?
hmm.
Which you need to use multiple places and a multiple component, am I right?
Hmm.
You can, based on your pages, you can decide, hey, these error messages are applicable for this form. Am I right? So
But
you can,
there is going to be different errors for different pages, right? Like if I am
yes,
writing.
yes, but that's why you can define that context. You can
Hmm.
say login page contest. You
Hmm.
can create a contest for your this detail page or
Hmm.
listing page.
Yeah.
Who is saying you can't do that? You can. You can. Okay.
Yeah.
And another is, let's say you will get a response from API.
Hmm.
Okay. And that response will you can say have a five reports. Okay.
Hmm.
And you need to means utilize those five records on your page. Okay. And means you need to use for your showing in a means in a you have a list component, you want to show the, you can say this you want to show the item there, whatever records you will go from AP, you want to display those. Am I right?
Hmm.
And on another place you just want to display the count of that, whatever you got from API. Am I right?
Hmm.
And maybe means whatever is the highest thing, you need to display that on a different component. You understand my point? Means
Yes.
data is same, but
Hmm.
uses of that data is vary component to component.
Hmm.
So rather than passing as a props, what you will do, you will keep that data on a you can say single place, so everyone can utilize that data as per their need.
Hmm.
If something is changed, if someone is going to update that data, if that is updated, then whomever is you can say associated with that, they will also update, which we will saw in our example. When you click on that button, it's Saad replaced with John.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yes.
So means in file those are given, means which you can consider for use cases in your program.
Yes.
You check that file. Examples are there. Common use cases.
This one.
Yes, go down please. Real use cases.
Hmm. What about the theme dark light? This thing.
This is a, let's say you want to nowadays in a phone we have a dark mode, light mode,
Yes.
and in this VS Code we have a choice which kind of theme you require, dark or light. Am I right?
Hmm.
So which is a globally, if you will apply, if you choose dark theme, it can be applicable on all the pages of your application. Am I right?
Yes.
If
Yes.
you select dark or light, it should be applicable for all the things. So
Hmm.
you can think of use this use context for this purpose, for
Hmm.
sharing the styling. Okay.
Yes. So basically, for the theme, if we define one context with the light theme and one context with the dark theme, then it's gonna apply to all the child. I mean, all the pages, right?
Yes, man. You will mean share with all the components.
Hmm.
Understand me?
Mm-hmm.
So this is a beauty. Otherwise, you need to take care of each and every component to pass this.
Hmm.
But here you will put the everything in a globally and you can do that. Now check this context plus use effect. You will get the data from user data from API. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And you updated that data. Now it's as whatever data you will get for user, it is automatically available for all the, you can say this, all the component which are part of that contract.
Yeah.
Hope things are clear to you now.
Yes.
Okay. So now you need to means repeat this thing by your own. Okay, as
Mm.
assignment, and you need to apply this API concept as well as this theming concept
Mm.
on your own project.
Yes.
Okay. Anything
Yep.
else
No.
you need to discuss about this concept?
No, I think I'm good.